Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 9th. You know that Act 2, Scene 2 is going on. Here, lecture number 4, the speech of Bassanio. Bassanio says, one speak for both. What would you? Bassanio says, let one of you speak. Do not speak both of you. Let one of you speak for both. Let one, either you or your father. What do you want? Lancelot says, serve you, sir. Lancelot says, to serve you, sir. I want to become your servant. Gobbo said, that is the very defect of the matter, sir. This is the gist. Briefly, I want to say that my son wants to serve you, sir. Bassanio says, I know thee well. Thou hast obtained thy suit. Shylock, thy master, spoke with me this day, and hath preferred thee, if it is preferment, and hath preferred thee, if it is preferment, to leave a rich Jew's service, to become the follower of so poor a gentleman. Bassanio says, I know you well, and I agree to your request. Shylock, your master, spoke to me about you today. He has just recommended you to me, if it is a promotion, to leave the service of a rich Jew to serve a poor man like me. Means Shylock says that this is not a promotion to leave the service of a rich Jew to a poor man like Bassanio. He says. Lancelot says, the old proverb is very well parted between my master Shylock and you, sir. You have the grace of God, sir, and he hath enough. Lancelot says, the old proverb is appropriate, applicable equally to you and my master Shylock. It is in that sense that you have God's blessings and Shylock has enough wealth. This is the difference between you and Shylock. Bassanio says, thou speakest it well. Go, father, with thy son. Take leave of thy old master and inquire my lodging out. To his followers, he says, Bassanio says, give him a livery more guarded than his fellows. See it done. Bassanio says, you speak well. Go, father, with your son. Take leave of your old master. Old master means Shylock, and then find out the way to my house. To his followers, give him a uniform. He gives order to his followers to give him a uniform with more decorations or ornamental strips than that of my other servants, because he has become a special one. Make sure this is done. Means good uniform, better than others, should be given to Lancelot. Lancelot says, father, I cannot get a service. No, I have never a tongue in my head. He says, father, come along. You said that I could not get a job. You said that I could not speak for myself. He said, looking on his palm, if any man in Italy have a fairer table, which doth offer to swear upon a book, I shall have good fortune. He says, looking his palm, this palm, he says, well, no man in the whole of Italy has a more fortunate palm, which he places on the Bible. He says, which he swear upon a book. Book means here Bible, which he places on the Bible when he is taking an oath, than myself. Therefore, he says, go to hear the simple line of life, hear small trifle of wives Alas, 15 wives is nothing. 11 widows and 9 maids is a simple coming in for one man, and then to escape droning thrice, and to be in peril of my life, and with the edge of a feather bed. Here are simple escapes. Well, if fortune be a woman, she is a good wench for this gear. Father, come, I will take my leave of the Jew in the twinkling of an eye. Exeunt Lancelot and Old Gobbo. Lancelot says to his father, therefore I will have a better luck, showing his palm. He says, see, here is my line of life. Here is a small unimportant line which refers to marriage. I shall marry 15 wives. These are not too many. 11 widows and 9 virgins. A good record for one man. Then I will be saved from droning thrice. And these are all things are written on his palm. Thrice, and be in danger of my life from falling out from a feather bed. These are simple escapes. Well, if fortune is a woman, she is a good of this kind of fortune telling. Come, father, I shall take my leave from the Jew in a short while. Lancelot and Old Gobbo depart from there. And what happens in next, you will study in lecture number 5. Thank you so much, students.